Hello and welcome. You're watching Business Today Television. I'm Tanya Aneja, and this is a brand new episode of Technical Gupshup, a show where we'll discuss the technical market outlook, key levels to watch out for, and 5 technical stock ideas to bet on at this point in time. Well, this week the bulls have been on the back foot and bears have been in complete control. If you talk about the Feb series, the series has been very volatile. Nifty is down over 300 points, and if you talk about Nifty next 50, it is down to the tune of 3,000 points. Of course, this is majorly because of Adani Group stocks. And also, not to forget, Tuesday's sharp cut of over 900 points on the Sensex was caused by a combination of factors such as weak US Qs, the continuing sell off in Adani stocks, and concerns of the Adani crisis impacting the banking system. So, where are the markets headed in the near term? And what are the technical charts suggesting? To discuss this and much more, let's welcome our guest on the show today. We have with us Mr. Mehul Kothari. He's the Assistant Vice President, Technical Research at Anand Rathi Shares and Stock Brokers. Thank you so much, Mehul, for taking the time out and joining us here on Business Today Television.
Yeah, thank you, Tanya. I'm glad again I'm on the show. And good morning to all the viewers.
Absolutely. So, Mehul, Nifty is down over 600 points in the last 4 sessions. It even reached the 17,500 level odd mark today. And Fed minutes also were on the hawkish side. So, what's really next for the markets and what do the technical charts suggest?
See, Tanya, on a broader note and on short-term note, that is today because it's a monthly expiry, we'll try to dissect the data, derivatives data, and
Okay.
we'll come out with the outcome of derivatives data in three parts. So first, let's talk about the option range. What the data of options are indicating. See, at 17,500 put option, we are witnessing a lot of participation. So that means 17,500 could be a base for the day. So
Okay.
that could be a support. So we expect expiry to be above 17,500. On the upside, 17,700 has some interaction. So that could be the highest possible range on the upside for the day. So 17,500 and 17,700 could be the range for the day. Now,
Okay.
again, with regards to broader picture, PCR, that is put call ratio overall is at zero point 0.7, below 0.70. So that indicates that markets won't be able to sustain at lower levels. So that is why we saw the rebound in today's session, right? After the opening, we saw constant sell-off, but there was a sharp reversal. That is
Right.
because of this PCR and heavy short positions which were being covered. Now, thirdly, FII's long short data, which we have been talking about since last 3 months or so on your show also. So that data is highly oversold. So if we remove the entire geopolitical issue going on, okay, which can give us anytime negative triggers, right? So if we remove that from the picture, then we feel that any dip from here on, maybe 200, 300 points in Nifty could be used as a strong buying opportunity, and markets are preparing itself for a strong bottom.
Okay, absolutely. So that's the word coming in. And also, Mehul, the fact that Bank Nifty is down by 7% this year indicates the fears of the market regarding the impact of the Adani crisis on the banking system. And also the concerns that the margins of the banks will be impacted by the rising deposit rates. So, your thoughts on first Adani Group stocks and also banking space?
See, Adani Group stocks, I feel that it will remain under limelight for some more time, and there is no clear direction. Okay, you don't know what is going to come next for Adani, so volatility will be there. But I still feel that there are few stocks in that group which are worth investing from here on, stocks like Adani Power, Adani Ports, a couple of stocks which we are liking at this level because they are highly oversold. So I'm not
Okay.
talking about immediate terms that immediate terms it will give returns of 30-40%, but over a period of time, this could be the accumulation zone for good quality stocks in Adani Group. Now, with regards to Bank Nifty, I feel most of the Adani effect is almost, you can say, discounted in Bank Nifty, right? Because this has been going on since around a month or so. So, if market has to discount something, it does it immediately. So I don't think so. Further impact could be there in banking stocks with regards to Adani, at least with regards to Adani. So that is done. With regards to levels for Bank Nifty, I feel 39,000 and 38,000 could be a strong zone from where bullish trend could emerge. So that is a bit far away from here on, but not that far also. 1,000 to 1,500 points from here on, and Bank Nifty also uh, can confirm that the bottom is done in banking stocks.
Absolutely. And also, since markets continue to remain volatile, so any sectors, any themes that are looking attractive, especially if we talk about near term.
Theme specific, I feel not sector specific, but the broader market should give a sharp bounce in the market. That is
Okay.
mid cap and small cap, mid cap 100 and small cap 100 stocks should do
Okay.
really well once market stabilizes. I'm not talking that from today it will happen, but over a period of time, 15-20 days from here on, we could see a decent bounce in mid cap stocks. Along with that, if market stabilizes, then banking stocks will again give a decent bounce from here on. Stocks like Axis, Kotak, which are in our buying list also today. So these are the kind of stocks which looks good from here on. At the same time, I would like to tell you stocks like Asian Paint and Pidilite. They
Okay.
are bottoming out. They are into high oversold zone. So
Okay.
there is a strong possibility stocks like this also will bottom out soon.
Okay. And lastly, Mehul, before coming to the technical picks, I would like to understand from you your thoughts on the cement pack, because cement companies have also posted good set of numbers for the December quarter 2022. So your thoughts on the entire cement pack and any companies that are looking attractive at this point in time? Any stocks?
See, Tanya, two major stocks like ACC and Ambuja are
Yeah.
reacting to Adani news, right? So
Right.
let's take out that from the list.
Okay.
Remaining India Cement is there, JK Cement is there, and Ultra Cement is there, which we
Okay.
track generally. So India Cement looks lucrative at this point in time because it has corrected a lot from, I guess, from 300 zone now it's below 200. So it looks
Okay.
good. JK Cement also looks good, and Ultra Cement also. Ultra Cement has been a top performer. I guess there is not at all a major corrective move in Ultra Cement. So that has been a top performer,
Okay.
outperformer you could say. So Ultra Cement also looks good. So all these three stocks, I feel that there is a high possibility they can give you a decent returns in maybe 1 or 2 months of around 10-15% from here on.
Okay, absolutely. So India Cements, JK Cement, and Ultratech Cement. You can keep an eye
Yeah.
on that. And now coming to the 5 technical stock ideas. So which are the 5 technical stock picks that you are betting on today?
See, Dania, as always, I'll be sharing picks with a time frame of around at least 3 months from here on,
Yeah.
because of the ongoing uncertainty in
Hmm.
the market. So, first
Absolutely.
stock from our side is Axis Bank. It is trading somewhere near to 840. Stop loss is 790. Target is 940. Second stock is Bata India. 1420 is the current market price. Stop loss is 1300. Target 1650. This stock is highly oversold, and I don't know what is wrong fundamentally with Bata India, but technically it is near a great support, long term support. So this pick also looks good. Kotak India at multiple support. Kotak Bank, sorry. 1700 CMP, stop loss 1650, and a bounce of 1800 could be seen in Kotak Bank. Pidilite, as I told, I'm liking this sector for a sharp bounce. Pidilite is at a long-term trend line support. CMP
Okay.
of 2280, stop loss 2200, target 2440. And last but not the least, I guess Tata Motors, uh, stop loss 410, current market price 430, target 470. So these are the 5 stocks from our side.
Absolutely. So Axis Bank, Bata India, Kotak Mahindra Bank, Pidilite, and Tata Motors. These are
Yeah.
the 5 technical stock ideas that are coming in. On that wonderful note, thank you so much, Mehul, for taking the time out and joining us here on Business Today
Thank
television.
you, Tani.
Okay, on that note, let's wrap up this edition of Technical Gupshop. Many thanks for tuning in.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.